If you're wondering how to save a Photopea file as a JPEG, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to export your image as a JPG in Photopea, plus a few tips so you get the best quality for web use, social media, or sharing online. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure your project is open in Photopea and you're finished with your edits. This is important because once you export, you want to be saving the final version of your image. At the top menu bar, go to File, then choose Export and then select JPG. This is the standard way to save your work as a JPEG file in Photopea. If you want a faster method, you can also use the shortcut. On Mac, press Command, Option, Shift and S. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt, Shift and S. That will bring up the export options where you can select JPG without going through the full menu. This is really useful if you're exporting files often and want to speed up your workflow. Once the preview window appears, you'll see a few important settings. The first one is quality. If you're saving for websites, online uploads, or general sharing, a quality setting between 80 and 90% is usually ideal. That gives you a great balance between file size and image clarity. If you want maximum quality and file size is not a concern, you can set it to 100%. Next, check the Dimensions section. If you need to resize the image before saving, you can adjust the width or height right here. This is helpful if you want your JPG to fit a specific format, like a thumbnail, social media post, or website banner. Just make sure the proportions look right before you export. After reviewing the settings, simply click Save. Photopea will then generate the JPEG file and download it directly to your computer's Downloads folder. From there, you can move it, upload it, or rename it however you like. And that's it. You've now learned how to save Photopea as a JPEG file in just a few simple steps. Whether you use the menu bar or the keyboard shortcut, the process is fast and easy once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.